If all the people of the economy increase the proportion of income they save, the total value of savings in the economy will either decrease or remain unchanged. This phenomenon is known as crowding out crowding in paradox of thrift paradox of prosperity. Explanation. Correct answer. The phenomenon described is known as the paradox of thrift or paradox of saving. It is a concept in Keynesian economics stating that if everyone in an economy attempts to increase their saving rates simultaneously, the aggregate demand will fall. This leads to a decrease in production and income. Since aggregate saving depends on income, saving is equal to propensity to save asterisk income. The fall in income can lead to a decrease in total saving, or at best, no increase, despite individuals trying to save more. The collective outcome is opposite to the individual intention. Key point. The paradox of thrift highlights how increased individual saving efforts can collectively lead to lower overall income and potentially reduced total saving due to decreased aggregate demand. Additional information. Crowding out occurs when